How to create a 3D visual effect in Filmora. First, open Filmora, click on Stock Media, select Text to Video, then enter your command and click Generate. After that, drag the generated AI video onto the timeline and tweak the speed a bit. Next, right-click the uploaded audio, choose Beat Detection, and drag the processed audio onto the timeline. Next, drag the timeline to the second red marker. Find Smart Cutout in AI Matting. Use the brush to paint over the part you want to cut out, and click Apply. Then, drag the just edited video into another copy and place it on the second track. Move the timeline to between the two marker points, find the parallel line in the mask, rotate it 70 degrees, enlarge it a bit, and set a transform keyframe. Then, move the timeline to the red marker, shrink the mask a bit, and a keyframe will be automatically generated here. Then, select Freeze Frame in this icon, and do the same operation for the materials below. After that, you can choose the stickers you like in Stickers to make the whole screen look cuter. You can also add some text according to your preference. Finally, move the timeline to the first keyframe, separate the material, and remove the mask of the previous material. Add music, and let's take a look at the final effect.